everyone, so we are now at Terminal 2 International Departures, and hold on, I'm so good for the immigration, but let's see.
We're heading to Singapore.
Yay! Rian is now currently filling out the departure card, and I'm so nervous right now because the next step will be the immigration. So, wish me luck, guys. So, ayan. I will tell you the story, the reason of this pimple. Yung kinatatakutan ko na immigration. And yes, na hold po. Oh my gosh, I want to cry. Hello everyone, so we are now at pre-departure area. So we're just waiting for the time of our flight. I passed the immigration. Instant. We are now at Changi Airport. Guys, so we are now at Changi Airport, and yes! Finally.